to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi guys and welcome to my birthday vlog. Today is the 10th of September. It's 10 minutes to my birthday, so it's 11:50 right now. I don't know how to start this vlog off because I don't know what's gonna happen, and it is a quarantine birthday, so I'm not expecting anything, to be honest. The reason why I look like this is because it was a shoot day. I don't want to work tomorrow, but I think I might have to thoda sa, so I'm just trying to get all the work done now. Tomorrow I don't know what I'm doing, to be very honest. Mostly I'm just gonna be at home because bahar to kahin ja nahi sakte. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, I just wanted to start this vlog off. Currently figuring out all the 30 giveaways, and also I'm taking pictures for it ek saath hi because pehle I used to do one at a time and it was such a hassle. So just gonna finish this off now.
केक कापूया हमना. हाँ.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Like slow motion.
क्या बोली है?
We're doing a tarot card reading at 2:30. Hi guys, so it is 5:30 right now in the morning and we've just been video calling since like 12, and it was so nice. I video called with all of my friends. My cousins also came in. It was just amazing. What a great start to my birthday. I'm gonna go remove my makeup and call it a day, call it a night, call it a day. I just need to go to bed because tomorrow, yeah, it's my birthday, but I also need to get so much work done. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning or good afternoon, you guys. It's noon right now. I woke up like 10 minutes ago. I'm gonna start my day. I've freshened up already. I'm so hungry and one of the best things has arrived. I'm so excited for this. So here we have half a dozen bagels. So these are baked by Aditi. I'm gonna link her Instagram in the description box below. They look so good. She's actually a friend of mine from college and she's so talented. I'm sure iske piche Aditya ka hath hai. He remembers that bagels are like my absolute favorite. So he got these for me for breakfast, and also he got cream cheese, which you can't really find easily in India. And I'm just gonna have a couple of bagels now. So yesterday I received like 3 big boxes from Mansi Mao, and usme se ek was my birthday gift. Dusre 2 are for like an upcoming video. You guys are gonna have to wait for a little bit in order to watch that video, but let's just unbox the gifts because I was waiting for today. So she asked me to read the little note before I like see what she sent me. Look at the card. Oh my god, this is so me. So sweet. Oh my god. Okay, so the thing with parcels mere ghar pe is ki you cannot touch a parcel for a few days. Once it comes in, it needs to go through the process of like sanitization. I'll show you what like my corridor looks like. So I got confused, but I think this is the gift which she actually got custom made, which is so cute. हेलो हाय
जी बोलो.
अच्छा, तो बेसिकली ये गिफ्ट जो मानसी ने भेजा है ना कल मेरे लिए, आई एम नॉट एबल टू फिगर इट आउट लाइक सो दैट्स द वुडन थिंग. व्हाट डू
वुडन थिंग?
हाँ,
वो जो एक there has to be a globe. Did you find a globe?
No, I don't have any globe. So long story short, I went out. There's this area outside my house wherein we like store stuff. So we store all of our plastic waste there. So I went through the trash and I found this in the trash. It was like flat and it was between like 2 thermocol ke pieces, so I guess my parents missed it. So this is what Sahil was talking about. I don't think you can see it very well. So there's light projecting yahan se, raat ko zyada better dikhega, and it says you deserve the world. That's so sweet and so thoughtful. I'm gonna go see what it looks like in the dark. So spent an hour editing a video. Yes, it's my birthday, but we have to get work done. So अभी तक complete नहीं हुआ editing, which I'm really sad about. I really need to edit this video today anyhow. But I think I'm gonna take a break. Also having a glass of nice hot water. If you haven't had your glass of water, definitely go get it. Hot water to be specific. I think I'm gonna go take a bath for now. So finally I'm having some lunch. My mom makes the yummiest aloo parathas. So I'm gonna have some aloo paratha with some dahi. I'm so excited. I'm back from the shower. I wanted to show you the shower gel that I've been using. This is by Bath & Body Works. It's their 1000 Wishes body wash. It's so good. It smells incredible. They did send this to me and I'm so glad they did, because I don't think I would have bought it because I don't really buy body washes, but it's so good. I'm gonna use the body mist also that comes along right now. I'll link this for you guys, but now I'm gonna do a face mask, so I thought I'll like vlog. By the way, it's like raining like crazy. There are crazy thunderstorms, cloudburst and whatnot. I really wanted to go down and click pictures today, but it's so dark. I don't know if that's gonna happen. By the way, the face mask that I'm using is by Glam Glow. I did get this as a birthday gift. I got this last year also as a birthday gift, and I love this face mask. It's so incredibly expensive, but yeah, it's really good. Like, it's one of the best face masks that I've ever used. Like, if I have like a bump or like acne or something like that, it will make my face so flat. I don't know what this has in it, but it's really good. Done. Gonna let this dry for 15-20 minutes. तब तक I think I'm gonna start getting ready. Like, कपड़े वपड़े पहन लेती हूँ शायद. I've like removed my outfit and kept it ready, but where do I wear this outfit and go? By the way, I have no plan for today. Did I already say that? I think I have said that. It's a quarantine birthday. So these are the outfit options for today. Actually, let me show you the first one. It's this white top with really cool puffy sleeves. I wore this in a previous video and so many of you guys were asking me where it's from. It's from this Instagram store, which is called Closet Hues. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below because they have the cutest clothes. I think I'm gonna wear this with like a leather skirt for today. It's very cool, very chic, and not like over the top either. And as for option number 2, we have this stunning lavender top. Last year as well on my birthday I wore lavender, so I thought I should maybe wear lavender this year, but I think it's gonna clash with my red hair, so I'm gonna save this for later. Check out my Instagram. I'm gonna be posting a lot of pictures with this because I'm obsessed with this. Hi, so my plans have completely changed. I was gonna get ready, change my clothes, go down, take some pictures. But it started raining and it was so dark, so I had to can the plan. But I was like, you know what, it's my birthday, thoda sa I need to get ready, so I did like a 2-minute makeup. Also check out my hair. It doesn't look as red as it should, but anyways, I just want to give like a quick shout out to everyone who sent me so many things. So I got this beautiful bouquet which I'm obsessed with. I need to take pictures with this bouquet for sure. Aditya gave me this, I love it, and Adya gave me these beautiful lilies which my mom loves. So pretty. Also, she wrote the cutest note ever. I'm not gonna show you guys, but it's so cute. Also, the VP store sent me these beautiful roses. Thank you so much. I honestly did not expect this. Anam and Jerry sent me this very thoughtful gift. It's a money plant. My mom loves plants, so I'm sure she's gonna take really good care of it. And eventually I would like to take it to the new place. Let's see if I'm capable of taking care of it. Also, my neighbors baked these cupcakes which look so cute. Thank you, Suchi. My cousin Kashish Sharma sent me these, I don't know what these are. Kya bolenge isko? Blueberry. Some blueberry something, I don't know. Oh my god, you guys have sent me so many desserts. I don't even like eat itna desserts, but I guess I will abhi. So Aditya got me these popsicles. No, cakesicles, sorry. Got these cakesicles for me. I really like cakesicles. I don't really like cake, by the way, guys, which is why yesterday I didn't like really want to order a cake, but my parents went ahead and ordered 2 cakes for me. I don't really like eating cakes. I really like cakesicles and cookies and cupcakes. So talking about cupcakes, my favorite cupcakes in the world are baked by Aditya and Adya Naik. So they made me these 11 cupcakes. So वो लोग का logic था, ये 11 cupcakes है और इसमें 12 cake pops, sorry, what is it called? Cakesicles, sorry. 12 cakesicles, 11 cupcakes, so 23 for my birthday, which is so cute. So I'm gonna enjoy these. I'm not gonna share these with anyone. So my all-time favorite Indian dessert is Sheera, and Aditya's mom was so sweet. She made me some and it looks so good. So this wall, this is what it looks like. It usually has family pictures, And what my dad does is that he changes all the images on my mom's birthday to her images, and he did that for me this time. As you can see, they're all my images right from when I was a baby till my farewell, which is very cringy. By the way, guess who's here? He's the only one I feel comfortable calling घर पे, so he's here. दूसरे सब लोग को I couldn't meet today. Let's hope कि I can meet them tomorrow. Let's see if things fall through. So I'm gonna go unbox a few gifts here and here. I don't think I'm gonna wow, just chilling in the background. I don't think I'm gonna show you कि क्या क्या है gift में, because 90% मैं एक video बनाने वाली हूँ which is like a what I got for my birthday video. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make that video, so you're gonna have to wait for that. Hi guys, so it is, let's see if this can focus. It's almost 2:40 and I've been editing my video for tomorrow. Aditya left at like 9:30, 10 I think, and I've been only editing my video ever since, and it's finally done. It's exporting and I'm gonna upload it now. So it is 5 AM right now. I just got out of the shower and I need to wake up in 2 hours at 7 because I am going away for my birthday. I'm so excited. And I am gonna be vlogging it, so stay tuned. Most probably the next vlog is gonna be my birthday getaway vlog. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who wished me and made my day. I don't know how great the vlog is gonna be, but my day was great. I am more than happy with the way my day like panned out. Just take this vlog as like a day in my life vlog, like a regular everyday vlog, but I just loved it. Like, it was great. I'm so happy with it, and yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.